Hi, I am FliQCard. Meet my friends. Supporting me to simplify your life. Meet Ecomm theme. To feature product and services with the payment modes. Meet analytics. To monitor who has viewed and saved your card. Meet FliQBoard. Connect your business card on your virtual background. Meet NFC. Share your business card in just one tap. Meet Event Management. Create events and invite contact by sending reminder. Meet Network Management. Categorize, give a tag with comment to your network. Meet CRM. Make sales process smoother by tracking all communication with the client and setting follow-up. Management. Assign all your team digital business card, check amp, control their follow-up amp, analytics. Meet Calendar. Manage your follow-up, event and meeting according to your calendar. Meet Radar. Share and exchange your business card via radiation under 1 kilometer. Meet Email Signature. Make an email signature that connects back to your digital card. Use Me for boosting networking.